Hi everybody, this is Katie. I want to do this short video to show you how to install Packet Tracer so that we can get started on doing some Cisco lab work. It's a little bit more fun than reading everything in the book, so I think we'll enjoy that. So in our class, there's this link down here called Netic Add info. See that? Netic Add. Here's the install for the student version of Packet Tracer. So you want to click on that. It'll download and then you can install it. I have a different version, an instructor version where I can see things, but let me see if I can install this too. So that while that's going, that's the Windows version. If you have a Mac, I would recommend that you hold on, let me see if there's a Mac version. Otherwise we might have to do a VM system. Hold on. Okay, it looks like there is a Mac version. I'll show you where you can check that out. This is for Windows, and I'm running Windows 10. Should work on any earlier version of Windows as well. So you see that's downloaded. I'm going to go to where my downloads are. No, it's not. I thought it was finished. Ha! Okay, let's let that go. Oh, you can see I'm on Wi-Fi. Things a little bit slower here. You can see it's going to take a little bit of time. So start that at your convenience and let it go. We'll show you where you can get the Mac one here in a second if you're on a Mac. So the other thing we need to do is we need to log into Netic Add. So I've given you a link here to Netic Add. Netic Add is our Cisco Networking Academy, and we have everything set up in there. Now, a couple days ago I sent you an email from Netic Add. It was an auto email. I'm not sure what it looks like, but I've gotten confirmation from several of you that you've received it, and you are able to log into Netic Add. So it tells you what your username and password is, or how to set that information up. So you should all have your login information already. If you don't know what that is or what I'm talking about, go into Blackboard and check your student email account. It is all there. It should be from Netic Add or something like that. So go ahead and log in. Now mine is going to look a little different because I have a special account. But this is the NetSpace area. Now, no matter where you go, if you're in different places, you can hit NetSpace Home. Now, I am in the Teach section, and this is where what I've set up for our course, but I'm not sure how we're going to use that yet. And right now, that course is not active, so you shouldn't be able to see it, I don't believe. In the Learn, which is all you might have, is the Learn tab. That actually might be where you see that WAN theory class. But these are the courses that you're taking. So if you're in the CIS 175, which is the CCNA Course 1, you'll see that here. And if you're in the CCNA 2 or the CIS 176, you'll see that there as well. But I don't think a lot of you will, because the way that you're in WAN theory because you're near the end of your degree path, so you won't have to take those CCNA courses even though they're very good. Now, one of the things that I will do is give you access to everything that's in this WAN theory class that I set up, and that is all of the CCNA 1 stuff. Now, in there is everything for free. There's quizzes you can take, there's assignments you can do, there's Packet Tracer assignments, but I'm not going to grade anything or assign anything out of there. Because we're a Cisco Academy, it's really cool that you can have access to that, and I want you to have access to that this semester in case you decide that you really want to get certified in Cisco. Now, that's what our course does is it covers CCENT, which is the start of the CCNA certification. but we don't have it in a very structured way where you can cover all of the objectives by the end of the semester. There's just too many chapters and too much work for a 3-hour online course. If you choose to do some additional work, though, you certainly can use these tools that are in that WAN theory class there, the CCNA 1, and a lot of them are similar. The topics are similar to what we do in our CCENT book. So that would help you a ton. Or maybe you'll just want to get some resources downloaded from there while you're in there, such as Packet Tracer Labs, the whole books are out there, the PDFs are out there, and so on. So when you go in and you're in the Learn tab, one of the things that are listed there are the classes that you're taking, and I am taking a Packet Tracer 101 course. I want you to take that course to begin with. So we're downloading Packet Tracer, but we don't know how to use it. So we need to self-enroll in that course. So let's see. If you go up to here to Offerings, go down to Packet Tracer. Oh, maybe we wanted to go to the self-enroll. Okay. That tells us about Packet Tracer. Just look in here real quick if it tells us more about the Mac. Packet Tracer additional resources. Let me just check over there real quick. You can just look through what I'm looking for. It's kind of hard to find some of these things here in the Netic Add. Oh, here is our Mac versions. There we go. Windows, Linux. The Linux, I think that's the one that should be able to run on your Mac system, because it's basically the same platform. So you could try, if you're running Macs, I guess I would suggest you try this one here, the Packet Tracer 6.2 for Linux, Ubuntu installation. Give that a shot. Give that a try. So where did I go to get that? Let's see. We went under Offerings, Packet Tracer. Go all the way down to Access Resources, and then you'll see the basic Packet Tracers. 6.2 is the one that we're currently using. There's a mobile version. I wouldn't try that. And then you can do the Linux distribution. Now the one that I gave you in Blackboard is this one here, the Windows Student version. Right here. So you could have downloaded it from here or here, all the same. Okay, now we want to do a self-enroll class. And the one we want to enroll in is the Packet Tracer. So go over under Offerings. You also see self-enroll courses. And when you go in there, you'll see a list of all of the courses that you can enroll in by yourself. And the one that you want to do is the Packet Tracer right here. Packet Tracer Know-How 101. So we're going to enroll in that. Just click the Enroll tab. Okay, enroll in the course. We can go to our dashboard, or if any place you're not sure where you are, just go to NetSpace Home or to the dashboard. And then again, underneath that Learn tab, and that's all you might have because you don't have the teacher rights. So you might just have the Learn tab, but now you'll see Packet Tracer. This one there's one from April. That was the first one. But here's the one that we're all enrolled in. So we're going to start that. or access the class by doing that. So good. Now you're enrolled in here. Now your first, I'll make a short video for what to do from here, but let's let our installation finish. When this is done, or when your download is done, install Packet Tracer, and then I'll have another video on where to pick up from here. So thank you. The things that you've accomplished in here, this video, you've logged into Netic Add, and you have found Packet Tracer and self-enrolled into that class, and you're downloading Packet Tracer right now.